it is Dee with Ddluvsbeauty, and I'm coming in with a very quick haul. I actually purchased some things from Shop Miss A. And this is my first time purchasing anything from them. If you don't know, affordable website where you can purchase cosmetics and also makeup tools, which I just focused on the makeup tools. I didn't pick any cosmetics up from here, but I just want to pick up a few things because I do find myself constantly reaching for additional things that I needed in my makeup stash. So I just want to come in really quick and share with you guys what I got. It's not a whole lot, but I did want to share with you. So if you're interested in this video and see what I picked up, please keep on watching and make sure you subscribe and share and like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. So this is what it came like. So it comes in this bag, and then it comes really wrapped up, guys. So you can see it comes with a bubble wrap on the outside. And then once I have it open, it comes with the pink tissue, and it just has a Miss A sticker on the outside. So let's take that off. And it also is in this foam wrap, so you do not have to worry about any of your products breaking or anything, because they definitely are making sure that you don't have any issues as far as shipment goes. The majority of the things that I picked up, guys, like I said, are tools that you use to actually do your makeup. So the first thing I picked up were these Wonder Blender Minis. And this one is in a pink color. So this one is very small, as you can see, which is what I wanted. So if you've ever watched any of my makeup tutorials, you can see, and I try and blend out my concealer right there. Sometimes the sponges that I use, they're just too big. So I think I want to use this for when I'm blending out close to my eye, and I think that's going to work out perfectly for me. So that's why I picked this up, and it's in a nice, cute pink color. Was another Wonder Blender. Has the flat top here. So it's flat, and then it looks like this. So again, this will be good when I'm blending out my concealer or on my forehead and chin. I always think, or if I'm just blending out my foundation as well, because I also use beauty blenders for my foundation too. So I thought this would come in really helpful, and it's also in that same color. This one is a $1.55. This is called the Paw Paw Edition Wonder Blender. So I just think that it's part of like some type of collection, but this says that it is super soft, I guess. So let's see. I can tell the difference between the two. So this one is softer than this one. This is in the light pink. And so this one is just a traditional beauty blender. So then I've already took those out of the bag, but I picked up 3 more of the traditional blenders here. So I don't know about you guys, but if you tend to do your makeup a lot, I just feel like I am constantly cleaning beauty blenders. I don't like to use dirty beauty blenders on my face. So whenever I'm using them, I make sure that they're clean. So if you do your makeup a lot and you don't have a lot of them, then you're consistently washing them. And I think I have about 5 of them. I have a couple of the Real Techniques beauty blenders, beauty sponges, and then I also have the actual beauty blender sponges that you pick up from Sephora, but I just felt like I needed some more. These are all very inexpensive. They're only $1, so you cannot beat that. And if you've watched anybody's videos here on YouTube, you know that these beauty blenders are really good to use, and I needed more, so I decided to pick up those and try them out for myself. And because they were not that expensive, I decided to go ahead and buy a few of them, because if I like them, then I don't have to worry about going and buying other ones and having to pay for shipping. So I just bought them all up front. And really, to be honest to me, as long as they are soft, then I can work with them. If they're hard, then it's very hard to blend out your concealer or your foundation, but as long as they're soft, I'm able to work with them. So I think it was a good buy. The next thing I picked up were just some mascara brushes, and it comes with 10 in here. And I just simply picked these up because when I'm doing other people's makeup, then I just find that I was kind of forgetting about this part when you're doing makeup. I'm not a makeup artist by any means, but I noticed that when I do my friends and family makeup, I didn't have those, and I think they would come in pretty handy when I'm applying mascara, or if I'm just brushing out their brows, anything like that. So I picked up those, and I think these were only $1 as well. And again, they come with 10 in there. And then the next thing that I purchased were some brush sets, and it comes just like this, and then you go ahead and unwrap it, and then this is what the brushes actually look like. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 10 brushes. Am I missing a brush? No. So it comes with 10 brushes. So 5 eye brushes and 5 face brushes. So I'm just going to quickly go through the different brushes that I picked up. So this is from their AOA Studio collection. This one is a high definition brush. Well, all of them are high def brushes, and this is in the E101. And you can see what this looks like. They're very soft, I will say, and I think they would be great when doing any type of eyeshadow application. This next one is called E105, and this one is kind of tapered at the end, so I do like that. The next one is E104. So again, this one is angled, and I think this will be really good if you wanted to use it for your highlighter here. I think this is a perfect shape for your highlight. Also, if you wanted to just use it as a blending here, if you want to use it for when you use highlight on your nose, on your Cupid's bow, anything like that, I think this brush will be awesome for that. And then the next one is E102. This one again is angled. I just really like the angle brushes. Again, all of these angle brushes, I think they're perfect when you're doing your eyeshadow application. If you're trying to get different types of looks, if you're trying to blend them out, and then you could also use them when you are, these brushes are actually large enough to use them if you're using concealer and you're trying to blend it out. If you're trying to put on highlight, anything like that, these brushes would be really good for. I'm excited to use them to see what they come out like, but again, there are 5 brushes, and this is what they all look like together. Alright, now going into the face brushes. So the first one, and again guys, these are all very, very soft brushes, like very soft. This one is in F1. And just a little bit of information about all of these brushes here, and I'll kind of let you guys see as I'm talking about these brushes, but they are all synthetic, which means basically that they're 100% cruelty free, gluten free, and vegan. So they're also latex free, which means they're hypoallergenic and also antibacterial. It holds cream, gel, liquid, mineral powders, shimmers, and highlighter without absorbing extra makeup. And They're easy to clean, convenient for travel, and again, they are vegan. So those are all, and I don't know if I said, but these are synthetic brushes, but you probably knew that just by me based off the information that I just said. So this F1 brush is a flat brush, and it's great for foundation or blending any flat areas of your face. I'm definitely going to be using this for foundation. I've been kind of liking lately to use these types of brushes for my foundation. I think it just gives me a smooth finish. So I think this is really good if you want a foundation brush. This next one is also a flat top brush, but it's more of a angled brush, and it says that this brush is great for this is great for bronzer. It's a bronzer brush, but it also applies blush, foundation, and even concealer. So I can definitely see it being useful for all of these. So this next brush here is the F3 brush, and it says that it is perfect for powders or creams. So I can definitely see that. It reminds me of a buffing brush, and I can definitely see you going in with cream or powder even, just to put on or buff into your skin. This next brush is F4. And on the website, it just says that this brush is perfect for after you've finished all of your makeup to then go in and just blend everything together. And I can definitely see that the bristles here are very densely packed together, but they're still very soft. So I can definitely see using a powder or anything like that to just go in and blend in your makeup. So this next one, which is the last brush, it looks like this, and it is the F5 brush. It says that this brush can be useful for applying powder or cream blush or even highlighter. I can definitely see that. As you can see, it is pointed at the end. Okay, so it's tapered here. And for me, I can also see me using this for my highlighter. Like, this is perfect for highlight, but then also it's perfect for concealer, I think. So if you are placing your concealer underneath your eye or chin or forehead, I think this is perfect to use this for concealer as well. I honestly think that all of these brushes, although they have, you know, when I think about all of them, even though they say they have specific uses, when I use brushes, guys, I honestly use brushes how I want to use the brushes. I really don't think it matters. I really think it, you know, it's all about how you use the brush. It's about, do you know how to use it to get the look that you want to get. The bigger, fluffier brushes you definitely want to use for powder. The ones that are more tapered off, you can use for highlighter and you can use for concealer, but you don't want to use this to use all over your face because of the shape of the brush. So I just think that once you have started to use your makeup and do your makeup a lot, you'll kind of learn what the brushes are for, and you can also learn that you can use brushes for different things. But again, I just wanted to go in and purchase some different additional brushes. What I found out is that I don't know, even though I have a lot of makeup brushes, I honestly feel like I've just been running through them, and I just feel like I'm constantly cleaning makeup brushes. Let me know in the comment box if you guys do that as well. I don't know. I could be completely over exaggerating, and maybe I have enough brushes and now I'm just addicted. Who knows? But I'm happy with all of the purchases that I purchased here from Shop Miss A. If I didn't mention, because I don't think I mentioned, but this actual brush roll was only about $10 to $12. So honestly, you cannot beat that when you're talking about makeup brushes. If you're talking about other brands, I mean, just go look up other brands. Of course, you can get cheaper brushes that are effective on Amazon, but a lot of the brushes here on YouTube that people recommend are expensive. They are really expensive. I remember first getting into makeup and looking at makeup brushes, and they just cost a lot. I mean, me personally, I feel like you don't need to spend a lot of money on brushes just to say that they are effective, because you can use cheaper brushes and they can be just as effective as higher priced brushes. It just depends on if you know how to use them. So if you are first getting into makeup, if you're not quite sure, you know, what to do with makeup brushes or how to use them, I would definitely recommend getting some brushes that are least expensive first, and then working your way up to getting more expensive brushes when you are a bit more comfortable with using them. Because over time, if you're consistently washing those makeup brushes, it really doesn't matter how much they cost, they are going to shed over time if you're constantly washing them. It just happens. I know they do. I've spent money on brushes and they do shed, you know, after you are washing them constantly again and again. But I'm rambling as always. So I hope you like this haul. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. As always, make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.